question 34, which property is not typical of transition metals? Okay, let's say option A, they have low densities. For transition metals, right, they belong to metals. Metals, they have high densities, okay, with the exception of group 1 metals. So only group 1 metals have low densities. So option A is not a typical property of transition metal. So actually option A will be your answer. Okay, but let's say option B, they have high melting points. So for metals, right, okay, this one is linked to chem bonding. The type of bonding present is metallic bonding. And for metals, they have a high melting boiling point. Why? It is because of the strong electrostatic forces of attraction. Okay, FOE stands for forces of attraction between the positive ions and sea of delocalized electrons. Okay, which means that a large amount of energy is required to overcome the forces of attraction. So option B, it is typical of transition metal. Option B is not the answer. Then for option C and D, right, these two, they are unique properties of transition metals. Okay, so for transition metals, there are 3 unique properties. First one is that they have multiple variable oxidation state. What does this mean, right? For example, iron, there is Fe2+, there's Fe3+. Okay, so you have multiple oxidation state of either +2 or +3. Or copper, Cu+ or Cu2+, +1 and +2. Okay, the second unique properties is that they form color compounds. So again, for example, iron 2 hydroxide, it is a dirty green precipitate. Or iron 3 hydroxide, this is a reddish brown PPT. So transition metals, they will form colored compounds. Okay, the third unique properties to transition metals is that they are good catalysts. So C and D, yes, they are typical properties of transition metal. So answer would be option A.